Hello, like-minded people. Welcome to my channel. I want you to feel at home, to feel comfortable here. Please remember to hit the like button when you come in. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave a comment and tell a friend. And tell a friend to tell a friend. And please come back. You're always welcome. Thank you.
Hey everybody, how y'all doing? This is Tracy, Passionately Intrigued Arts, Garden Chronicles, Fall Garden. So this is what we got going on, and this is the last ditch effort to try and save this fall garden. So I put the little sticks up here in front too, so I can see, because I had the name tags all the way in the back, and I can't really see it. So this row is bok choy, and it looks like it's being ate up already. And then we have purple stem collards, which we got just a little bit of germination. And when did I plant this stuff, y'all? I gotta go look on the calendar. It's been, what, 3 weeks or so? I don't know. Then we got kohlrabi, and I'm not seeing much. There's a couple little pieces. And then we got the Georgia collards. So put a little tag in the front. Got that other tag way in the back. So I'm just seeing a few little pieces, a few little germination here. And then, I put my scraps in there, got holes in that, feeding the soil. And then we got some more collards. Now these look better. These are coming up good. I got a lot going on right here. And then on this row, we got the Detroit beets. So they looking pretty good as well. Coming up pretty good. It seems like they should be taller than this. Seems like everything should be taller than this. And then I got another container in there with scraps to feed the soil. And we got kale. It's not looking too good. I got a little germination, just a little. And then we have the Swiss chard over here. There's some germination of Swiss chard. Yeah, a little bit. And then we have the Detroit, the red mustards. So we got a little germination, a little bit going on here. And look at that red on there. Okay. And so what I have done is purchase this, what you call this thing? I don't know, these rods, bendable rods, and you put them together. You can, make them as tall as you want to. I use 4 rods to make these. And now I got to cover them. We are in it's about 60 degrees today, but it's dropping down in the 40s at night, and then next week it'll be 40s through the daytime. Low 50s, mid 40s. So I put these things down, and I'm gonna cover them with some. I don't know yet. Can't do plastic because they need water, so I gotta do some kind of cloth. I have some netting right now, some tulle that I'm gonna do temporarily, and then put some kind of cloth over the top of that. So this is the brand here, Mac Paste, that I got off of Amazon, of these garden hoops for greenhouse effect. And so you see I got them set up, and I got some tulle that I'm going to start out with. And y'all, I know it's yellow, okay? Don't come for me. But I went to Joann Fabrics, and they had 75% off, and it was just a few pieces. And so I'm going to make it do what it do. I'm going to cover it with the tulle first, and then I'm going to find some other type of covering. I don't know what else to put on here. I just don't right now, because it needs light, right? And it's going to need to let the water penetrate through. So I'm going to put the tulle up for now, because our temperature is in the 50s today, but it's dropping down at night in the 40s, and next week it's going to be cold. So we're going to start out. With this tulle, and this is probably not enough. So it's going to be multicolored. It's going to be what it's going to be. And so they give you these clips here to hold your fabric on, your cloth, whatever cloth that you're using. And then also, little simple instructions. They don't give you much. It's not easy to do. You just put them together with the little pieces. and you make it as tall or as short as you want to. They got metal pieces to stick the rods in between, and just bend it to the size of your garden, and then they just show you, how to attach your cloth and whatnot and what it'll look like. So, like I said, I got this yellow tool. It's bright. Hope it don't attract animals and stuff. But it looks like bugs are eating my stuff up already. Wow. So let me just step in between here and get this started anyway. I'm trying to save it. I'm trying to have something for the fall. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I tried. And I'll just wait for the spring. But pray for me and pray with me that I get a little something out of this garden. Just a little something. All right, let me put this last one down. I've already attached 2 of these things. And you just press it open, and it goes onto the rods. And then I'll just pull it over and attach it to the next rod. Yeah, I don't have much. It's going to be multicolored because I believe I got some more tulle in the house. Not yellow. Look, that didn't even go far at all. Interesting. So, I don't know. I should have flipped it and let that hang over that way. Where's my other tool? Oh, that blew over in the yard. Let me get this. Okay, y'all, I don't have much. I gotta start over. I gotta go get some more tool. Hold on, because this ain't gonna work. It's not enough. Okay, that just did a section. And then I covered it in the front to cover the whole thing. I don't know if you can see that or not. Covered it down front, and I laid some bricks on it to hold that down. Now what I got is a piece from my basement in my stash. I've used this in the past for, I don't remember. Oh yeah, because it's sold up right here. So let's see how much of this we got and what I can do with it. I'll make it work. We're gonna jimmy rig some things. Okay, let's see how far this goes. And I might have to. I got stitching in here. I think I made a dress for my mannequin for Christmas one year. Dang. I'm gonna have to cut this string so I can stretch it out. Maybe I can just pull it. Yeah, I'm gonna just pull it because we're using it out in the garden, so it don't matter. Uh-oh, don't tear it up. Don't tear it up. Okay, how much of this we got? So we're gonna have maize and blue colors. Michigan, go blue. How about that? That might work. So, let's see. Let's start with this first one, or this second one. And attach this. I wonder if I can get both of these on here. Y'all, I'm winging it. I don't know what in the world I'm doing. This is the first, y'all know that. I'm trying some things and stuff. And put both of them. Stretch that one. Put this little end right here. And clip this on. Get on there. Clip that on. Alright, let's go in the middle. Don't want to step on my plants. And I'm going to attach it right here on top of this one. Double it up with this. It's hard to get off. Come on, Mookie. Alright. This up here. Put it right here. Right here. And then see if I can get over here to the bottom. Stretch this out. And do this last one. Okay. Now let me see how I'm going to attach the other ones. Maybe I should go all the way to the end and pull it down and see how far. Oh, I broke my stick. What is that? Crafty. Okay, let's come down here. Let's see how far I can stretch it. That's going to be enough. How about that? Stretch this one down. Put it on here. Okay. Now I got to get over there. All this stuff in my way. Don't fall, Tracy, don't fall. Okay, I'm in here, y'all. Pull this on over. You can't see what I'm doing, can you? I'm all the way at the end. Let me come adjust the camera. Okay, gotta lift it up, lift it up. I'm all the way at the opposite end now. We're down here. So did make it all the way down. And I haven't put any clips in the middle. I just attached it down here at the end. And I'm trying to squeeze it here so I don't fall. And do it over here on this bottom. Put that one there. Alright, I got that one on there. Let me do one in the middle. And the tool comes all the way down. So I can put some bricks over here to hold that down. Some bricks or something. Hell, I can use these bottles. Why not? Stretch that some. This one right here. And so the wind doesn't blow this, I'm just going to stick my bottles. How about that? Repurpose. These have lights in them, so they light up at night. That's a big one. That's a big one. I'm going to put that one right here. And then I'll get something else. Oh, here's one. And I'll put this one right here. Oh, well, you can lay down. How about that? Go ahead and lay down. Okay. Now I just got to get back there and stretch that down. And then add some more of these clips up here in the front. But then I got to figure out what I'm actually really going to cover this with. Somebody please tell me what to put on top of this so that water can penetrate and so they can get sunlight, right? So it can continue to grow. That's what I'm thinking, right? Put one here, and then I gotta figure out how to get in the back. Oh boy, that's gonna be interesting. I probably should have did the back first, right? On hindsight. Jeez, Pete. I ain't gonna worry about it right now. How about that part? Because that's what I should have did. I should have clipped them down back there and pulled it to me. Hello. Doggone it. So, I'm just going to stretch this over as far as I can and put a clip on here. here. Stretch it over as far as I can. Put a clip on. I guess I gotta do this middle one. I only got one clip left. They didn't really give me enough clips. If I'm to use 3 all the way across, I'll have one left. Okay. Stretch this one. You know what? I'm going to stretch it right here. That's not tight. Stretch that a little further. And then I guess it's good on this side, just not over there. And I don't know how I'm going to do it without taking it off and starting over. And that I am not going to do. So I'll worry about it when I throw the other cloth over the top. When I figure out what other type of cloth to use. Okay. Ta-da! Yeah. I'll be done fail. No, that ain't gonna work. Okay, let me see if I can get back up. Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Tell me what you think. Give me some tips, okay? What should I do here? What should I cover it with, really, to protect it so that it can keep growing? Wow, I'm a little rough. Peace and love. We'll see you soon. Let me know, please, and thank you. And I'm out. Okay? Deuces. So here we go. That's the best I could do. Something is better than nothing. It's a start, and I am trying. That is for sure. Okay. So y'all truly know that I'm just winging this, right? Looks like a kid's play tunnel. I don't know. I just got a couple sheets and put them on there. Put it on there to cover it up. And this might just be for practice, so I know what I'm doing next year, because now I'm thinking that the brassicas probably need to be established. I probably need to have some big brassicas, big and bushy, growing already. I don't know what's going to do for these little baby ones, because I haven't done enough research to know about this type of effect. I don't know, y'all, but practice makes perfect. I'm gonna figure it out. And if nothing else, like I said, this will work for me for next season. I'll at least halfway know what I'm doing by then, I would assume. But never assume. You make an ass out of you and me. I'll do a little more research, but I don't know how the light gets through. I don't know how they're gonna grow. Maybe they're not supposed to. A lot of questions, but I don't know. Do you know? I don't know. I'm sure y'all know. But here it is. Here it is. I did it. I'm trying. Okay. Over and out. Just in time, because we had snow. Won't he do it? Absolutely he will. As always, I thank you for your time. I thank you for stopping by, and much appreciation for your support. Click the notification bell for intriguing content. Thank you.